Come on.
You got it on video?
Yeah.
Here. Right, as soon as he's done eating that, he'll go chasing this thing. He's probably going to go to the creek here pretty quick. That bread's pretty dry.
Try and get him
Alright, here,
doing
you got to get a picture of the... well, stop recording. And we'll start again and start off with a picture of the gun with the laser. And then how I'm chasing the laser.
I just cut it. Oh, there's my phone. My friend's probably...
Okay, got him?
Yeah.
You ready to see him go?
No! 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 Don't shoot him in the ass. That will hurt it. So
Yeah, it is pretty close.
it's close. And he's having so much fun chasing the laser.
Alright, let's throw him another piece of bread. Let's throw him a whole slice of bread.
Yeah, instead of killing them, yeah.
Then he'll run off.
You just feed him.
He'll run off with that one.